Ever wonder how much stress you carry every day? It's like a heavy backpack, filled with burdens from work, family, societal pressures, and more. This constant weight can strain both your mind and body. Imagine if there was a simple, accessible way to lighten this load. Meet Jane, a stressed-out office worker just like you and me. Jane was constantly feeling overwhelmed, her mind racing with deadlines and demands. Then, Jane stumbled upon mindfulness. What is mindfulness, you ask? Simply put, it's the practice of focusing one's attention on the present moment, acknowledging and accepting feelings, thoughts, and sensations. It's about being in tune with yourself, not your to-do list. Jane decided to give mindfulness a try. What did she have to lose? Fast forward a few months and Jane's life has changed. She's embraced mindfulness and it's like she's been handed a new lease on life. Stress? It's become a faint echo. Her mind is clear, sharp, like a diamond. Relationships? They're thriving. Every interaction is imbued with a newfound sense of understanding and empathy. And her overall quality of life? Well, it's simply soared. Jane had found her solution, and it was right there within her all along. So, what can we learn from Jane's story? The pervasiveness of daily stress is undeniable. Yet by harnessing the power of mindfulness, we can manage this stress and bring about positive changes in our lives. Remember, the power to reduce stress lies within you, just as it did with Jane. All it takes is a little mindfulness.